Your Excellency, on behalf of the Chief of Defense Forces, I stand before you to present 19 general officers whom you approved to retire this year of our Lord 2026 under batch 16.
Clap for those families. Thank you very much. Please take your seat. We are handing to you a well-disciplined and respected institution built through sacrifice. Please protect this legacy by upholding the patriotism, professionalism, integrity, and most importantly, respect to the civilian population. We have an umbilical cord which should never be broken between the UPDF and the civilian population. Please jealously guard that, and of course, loyalty to the Constitution.